Hi, Deirdre here, just going to show you how to do the bass with mushroom recipe sheet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my wrap text so I can see my headings clearly. So I'm selecting these up here and I'm clicking on wrap text and then I'm right aligning. Okay, so now it's easy to know what I'm working with. I might give the second column in a wee bit more space. Okay, so that's looking good, and then I'll just double click on that line there to make it fit the right height. So in here, we've done this before. We're just going to multiply, starting off with your equals, B5 star C5, and press enter. That's looking fine. And I drag down. Now you'll notice your decimal points are all over the place here. Okay, so it's not great. So I'll deal with that in a minute. So I'm selecting down here and I'm going to put on my auto sum and correct. And then I'm going to use my fill handle and drag across. Okay, we've done this on the previous video, so if you're stuck, go back to that one. So the whole pot is costing us 231, giving us two portions. So it's going to be the 231 divided by the 2 will give us our cost per portion equals the 231 forward slash the cell with the 2 in it. So that's equals D13 forward slash B14. That's perfect, and we press enter. And so we now know that one portion is costing us 115 or 116 when rounded. But now we want to get the formatting right. So we're going to select these cells in here, and I'm just going to take a look at the different options available to us. So when the numbers are right but they look wrong, you're on the home tab, and over here in the formatting, the number area is where you set. So if, for example, it's currency, we can just come in here and we can say whether it's dollars or sterling or euro. So we'll just go with that one. And it gives us a euro symbol on the left-hand side, 2 decimal places. And if there were thousands, it would put in a comma for thousands. You can also format it as a percent. So if I click on this one here, you can see 0.04 comes in as 4%, 0.1 comes in as 10%, etc. And this one here, I use this one quite a lot, the comma, just gives us 2 decimal places without the euro symbol. Okay, so and you're thinking, well, maybe I might want a few more decimal places. So you can increase the number of decimal places, or you can decrease the number of decimal places. Okay, but if you take it to currency, it puts it straight to 2 decimal places, which is often what you want. So again, you just select the area you want to format, and then choose this one here. Okay, so numbers required. No, you would certainly, these are quantities, so this is not currency, so I'll just maybe give it 2 decimal places. Okay, so that one works nicely. So the last one then that I'm going to want to format is the cost per portion. That's also financial, so it needs to go to 2 decimal places and have a euro symbol in it. And now I'm just going to format it like I did in the other ones. So I click and drag across and go merge and center, and then maybe increase the font, and then maybe I could choose a different font face and put on some borders. I'm going to select like that, let go, hold down Control and click and drag across, put on my borders, all borders, thick outside border, select, hold down Control and select, and then put on your shading as needs be.